Hello, welcome to Leon's Logpad. Leon can't be here at the moment, so I'm taking over. Just let everybody know, Happy Halloween. So for today's show, we're going to do what Leon didn't start, and that was this lock, this black spur lock. Well, let's have a look. It's definitely rubbery. And the bottom does come off. Where these infernal keys. Let's see if this thing works, so I can lock up more victims. Yes, it works. Fantastic. I'm gonna... Where is he? We have a black cat. He's in this kitchen. Leon, shut up. I'll come in there and tie you up more. It's my show today. Let's see how this thing goes. I suppose I need to test this lock to make sure no victims are going to escape from it. We're getting a bit of a dodge focus. Let's have a look. Start with I'll go for one of these things. Sorry, because it's a claw. Rare. That doesn't work. What's going on with these tools? Something's happening. Give it some tension. There we go. What does he do with this? Does he just wiggle it? Oh my god. I just picked it. Wow. Now I understand why he finds this fun. Well, there we have it, folks. If you're gonna capture people and lock them up for Halloween, don't use this lock. Please subscribe to Leon, or he gets it tonight. Happy Halloween, everybody. Bye.